Can you capture your business in one page? A tool that I often use is the business model canvas. This one-page planning document gets you to consider your strategy and your business model using 9 critical business building blocks that are all actually interlinked. Now, if we look at the canvas itself, you can see that it's underpinned by the box in the centre, value proposition. Here, you're considering why your customers would really choose you over your competitors to solve their problem or their need. Thereby, what you're doing is you're considering your differentiator, those unique selling points that create your value. If we go out to the right-hand side, you can see that this is primarily all about attracting your preferred ideal customers and considering your customer's journey. On the far right, I encourage you to start by considering your customer segments. And then it works in a little bit of a loop whereby you're considering the channels or the marketing tactics to reach those customers. And then the top of the loop is the relationships that evolve during the customer's journey with you, and to a point they also then provide you with feedback that helps you tweak your value proposition. Over to the left hand side, that's all then about delivering your promise. How do you deliver your promise? Firstly, there's the external team on the far left, your key partners that may be your supply chain, your subcontractors, your advisors, or your strategic partners. And how do they support you and why? So for example, maybe for economies, for the reduction of risk, or for mutual benefit. And then there are the internal resources. Of course, you have your team, but also your unique resources that are difficult to copy, such as your software, your hardware, your intellectual property, any physical property, and maybe your finances. And the final box on this side is your key resources. These are the most important actions that your company must perform to operate successfully and deliver the value that you promise in your customer engagement. And at the bottom, the boxes are your finances boxes, so your revenue streams and your cost structure. And I believe that if you consider the other 7 boxes, you will identify your primary and your secondary revenue streams and create a lean business model that returns a profit for the value that you're taking to market. You can read more about the business model canvas in a blog on my website. I've also got videos and a podcast about the business model canvas that I think you may find useful. As always, I hope that video and snippet has been useful for you, thought-provoking, and helps you in some way in the development of your own business. If I can help you, then let's have a conversation.